In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect as an actor or a director with SessionLinkPro. The first thing you're going to do is open up the email with the session link that you received. Now this one is here, the one that I sent myself. So you can either click on it or, like me, copy and paste it into your browser. Now, to do this, you need to use either Google Chrome, Opera, or Microsoft Edge browsers. You cannot do it on others. My personal preference is Opera, but in this case, I'm using Google Chrome just because it's the most common browser out there. Now here, you can start a network task or skip it. If you already know what you're doing, you can skip it. If you want to do a little network test, let's shoot it. And you can also accept the cookies. Now, in this case, it's common that the P2P connectivity fails. So you can ignore that and just continue. So let's just wait for the full test to complete. So you can see that the peer-to-peer connectivity failed, and that it's okay. We can just continue with this. Now here it's very important that you have to allow Google Chrome to use your microphone. That's going to happen pretty much in every software, in every browser that you choose. Now here you can put in your name, say my name, and the pin that was sent to you. In this case is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now before you start, you need to check your audio settings. What device are you using to connect? I am using a universal audio interface, so that's what I'm going to choose for input and output. If you're a director or a producer just checking in for the session, you can use internal microphone and internal speakers, and that should be fine. You can also see that if you have a green bar coming in here, that means that you are actually sending your levels. And you can do a test loop.
Audio test loop. Please talk after the beep.
So after the beep, if you talk into the microphone, it will record it and then play it back to you just to make
Playback
sure.
will start after the beep.
There we go. So after the beep, if you talk into the microphone, so that means that I'm sending and play it back to audio. So after that is done, I can click on start. Oh, by the way, this can be different for you. You can be using a Scarlett interface, whatever other interface. If you're using a USB microphone, you have to choose the USB microphone and the output, whichever output. It can be also the USB microphone or another interface. So this will vary depending on what your gear is. So I'm going to click on start. And SessionLinkPro wants to use your MIDI devices. I'll allow it. So here I have all my settings. My send level 100% should be good. We shouldn't touch this unless instructed by your engineer. And now in this part, I don't see any video here yet, and I should. So you can ask whoever is on the other side to enable you that, or maybe just wait until you get connected. So whoever is on the other side will connect you into the session, and now you're going to show up on air and you're going to have the video. Now this video, you can make it full screen with this here. You can escape to quit, or you can detach it and take it to a different screen for a different purpose. I'm going to close it out. I'm going to keep it here for now. You can also open the chat and talk. And then whoever is on the other side will be able to do the same with you. There you go. So after this is all set up, you should be able to start recording. There's a little record that will button here that will record a backup of whatever your session is. You can click here. You can select which channel and what's the file name gonna be there. You can start the recording, and then when you stop it, it will automatically download it. You can use that, or if you have a audio recording software setup, that it would be a preferred way to do it as well. So then when you're done, you can just disconnect and finish your session. And that's how you connect to SessionLink Pro.